Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fold a star from a single dollar bill. First one, you have the bill, make the bill flat. You fold the bill in half. Like this one. Make sure the edges is on the seam and gently make a crease. Now you fold the upper edge to the horizontal edge. And make a crease and now you fold the bill along with the vertical edge like this. You can do it slowly and make a crease also. Alright, now you turn it back and turn the bill knot over. You do the same thing with the other side. Fold the corner to the horizontal edge and make the crease. You can use a pen or something to make it easier for you. And now you make the crease by folding it along with the vertical edge that you have made. Does it look good? You have a small triangle here. Right, turn it over. Yeah. You fold like this on the top of the triangle. And tuck it on. Now it looks good. You have a very clean triangle in this. And fold the corner to the top. Yeah. And make the crease also. Do the same thing with the other side. Fold it on the top and crease. Okay, you have a square right now. Give me some minutes. Okay, now open it. And fold the tip to the center. Let me zoom it in. Now fold the tip to the center. Open it, open the edge, and make the reverse fold like this, and fold it to the center of the bill. Do the same thing with the other side. Fold it back and fold the edge to the center. Fold it up. Alright, it looks nice. And you can trim the edge so it can go to the right place and go to the right position. Okay, it looks good. Yeah. The other side is also fold like this. Fold it to the center and make it crease, make it look nice. And now the horizontal one, you fold it up. Make sure the corner at the end of the model, you make the flat fold. Yeah, you can trim the corner to make it easier for you. And here you are, gently fold it. Right now, turn it over and over again. Just kidding. Alright, so in the tip here, you can make it, you can use a flat fold like this. First thing, you fold it like this to make a crease, and then you open it and tuck it inside. Okay. You do the same thing with the other part. Fold it to make a pattern. And right now you open it, tuck it inside. Very easy, right? In this video, I'm trying to make it slow so everyone can see it, or you can find it easy to follow. But if you are professional and you get acquainted with origami, you can click to the setting and set up the speed is 1.5 or maybe 2.0 to save the time. But in the case you are a beginner with this art, so I recommend you can pause this, or even you can choose the slower speed like 0.75 or maybe 0.5 to make it easier for you, or you can leave your comment and I will answer you. In addition to, you can use bigger paper, but with the same dimension of a dollar bill note. It will help you easier because you can have many folds. So if you are not professional, it may be hard for you to fold. Okay, so right now you fold it down. Okay. So you fold it over and make sure you have to make sure the edge of the tip is on the tip like this. And after you see it correct, make the crease to firmly. So let me zoom it in so you can understand it easier. Okay, did you see it? Yeah. Make the crease. Okay, you do the same with the other side. It can be said that it's maybe the petal of the star. With one tip. Right now we have two. Okay, you fold the model in half. Fold it back in half like this. Okay. And bend it down. Bend it. Okay. So you can take it and fold it as the same as with the petal that we have made on the back. Okay, it looks good. You can trim it to make sure everything in the right order. Trim it. Okay. And now unfold. Now it's a little bit tricky, so you unfold the petal and see the inside. You can tuck the finger inside to make it easier. And uh, the edge of the pencil, you try to trim it to the center of the model. Yeah, you can see my instruction, my finger to show you. Yeah, and after that you make the flat fold. Okay, it look nice. Unfold. Did you see this? Tuck the finger inside. Flat fold. Trim the edge to the center. Okay. And make the fold flat. Good. And now do the same thing with the upper part. Open, tuck the finger again, and flat fold. Now you can see the shape of the star. You just have one step ahead to make the star look nice. Now you have this fine pencil of the star. Yeah, this look nice, right? One, two, three, four, five. Okay, that's enough. Turn it over. You can make the back like this, so the star can stand alone. This space is very easy, so flat fold like this. Make some crease. Okay, and here you are. Yeah, it looks good. Here, the star can stand. Yeah. Now the model is completed. So hope you enjoy the folded model, and if you have any question you can leave it into the comment so I can support you or answer the question. Thank you and bye bye.